Middle East. What comes to your mind whenever you hear this word? Terror, massacres, genocide, killing. But why? What happened in this once flourishing nation that it turned to be such a disastrous area? Well, there are a few reasons behind the failure of this region. The first one of them being religious differences. What? Religious differences in the Middle East? Isn't that all the Islamic region? No. The countries like Iran and Syria are regions where there is a majority in the Sunni Islam region, whereas other countries like Egypt and Saudi Arabia are the countries with Shia Muslims in the majority. This minor difference has created many religious outbreaks amongst these countries, and one of these religious outbreaks even resulting in Iran becoming an Islamic republic.
In the Islamic Revolution of 1979, Iraq, which was supposed to be a democratic country, turned into an Islamic republic through the leader being Ayatollah Khomeini in this revolution.
The second region includes involvement of superpowers. Many superpowers like United States of America, United Kingdoms, Britain, Russia, China have been involved in the affairs of the Middle East, and they have worsened the situations. Countries like US and Britain have been exploiting Iran's oils for decades, for centuries, and then Iran put a stop to it. Saudi Arabia and other countries are allies of USA, whereas countries like Iran and Syria are allies of Russia and China. Even their supporters have very different ideologies, and hence this enmity remains. The third point is terrorism. All of these places are infuriated with terrorism, whether it be Afghanistan, Palestine, Iran, Iraq, any such country which is filled with terrorism is mostly located in the Middle East. These terrorism infuriated countries, what happens is that other countries start blaming them for actions where their government weakens and eventually a terrorist group takes over, and we all know when there's terror in the country, there cannot be peace. Due to all of these reasons, the area of the Middle East has always been an area full of terrorism, wars, and genocide committing over different peoples. And this is not a current matter. These wars have been starting out from a really back time, whether it be the 6 Day War, whether it be the Iran-Iraq War, or the ongoing Israel-Palestine War. There are several occasions where there have been revolutions in these countries, which just chose to prove that the people are not happy the way they are treated. Whether it be the hijab revolution in Iran, where women are demanding the right to wear whatever they want. These rebels, these revolutions, this terrorism, and these differences are what have led this region of Middle East to become an terrorist infuriated and totally a wasted region. Thank you.